This is a 12 to 24 volt car adapter or connector. It can be used to connect any 12 to 24 volt appliance that works with DC current to your car socket. Appliance of 12 to 24 volt has different current requirement. Normally this adapter can work with 1 to 5 ampere of current, but if your appliance draws more current than that, then there are other variation of the same adapter which has fuse of higher resistance. So before trying to use this connector with your car appliance, always check the power rating. For demonstration, I will use this car adapter to make a smartphone charger. Now we need to insert the adapter to car socket. You will notice the red LED of adapter will start glowing. We can also see that we are getting 14 volt from the adapter. This 14 volt is further converted to 5 volt by the USB converter. Now let's connect one end of USB cable to converter and other end to the smartphone. There is an inbuilt power on switch on the converter, so let's power it on. And now phone charging has started. Let's see if there is increase in charge. So the charge went from 62 to 63, which means the charging is working successfully. There is one more small demo I would like to show. This is a 5 volt LED. Let me connect it to the converter and power it on. You can see it's giving good brightness and can be used as an alternate light in our car. There are many other usage of car adapter, but always check the power rating of appliance with which you will use it. If you are buying it from C also B, we can customize it as per your requirement. I hope you found this video informative. Do check out calsob.com for home automation products at reasonable price. Link in description.